of Korea. The east coast of Korea is where all the nice beaches are, and it's pretty accessible from Seoul. They opened a new railway, so now it's possible to take the train from Seoul to Gangneung since last year. So before then you had to take a car or a bus, and during peak season, because everyone wants to go to the East Coast in July and August, that's when the traffic is the worst. So we're very grateful that we can take the train this time. So we bought a doshirak, which is like a box lunch, at the station. So we're going to eat while we're on the train. And yeah, I'll see you guys when we reach. So we finally made it to Gangneung, and we're gonna flag a taxi to our hotel. We're not gonna take the bus because apparently you need to walk like 750 meters after you get off the bus stop. Oh no, is it raining? It's not the best weather. If you turn left from exit 1 of the station, there is a taxi stand with a bunch of taxis lined up, so don't run around like an idiot like I just did. 세인트 존스 호텔로 가주세요. So we came earlier than the check-in time, but we're going to see if the room is available. I'm very doubtful though, because this place is really crowded and it looks like the rooms might not be ready. Wonderful. The view is really great, and they only built this hotel last year, probably for the Winter Olympics, which was hosted around the area last year. And so far we've checked in and all we did was watch some Netflix and admire the view. And around here, the hotel, there are a lot of like restaurants and things that you can do. The location is not the best, I think. Like it's right next to the beach, but you have to take a taxi or a car to other places, which is what we're going to do. So tomorrow and Monday when we go back, I don't think we're going to be doing much. We just came here to relax. So today, this evening, we're just going to go out to 강릉 중앙시장, which is like the main market in this area. And we're just gonna walk around and have some dinner. I don't think it'll be a very eventful trip, but I am loving it so far. I gave up my seat to a little girl.
You got guilt tripped.
Oh well, she wanted it. So we were just talking, and this place is nice, but it doesn't feel like we're out of Seoul. It's just another market, bunch of street food, and like a sort of nice view. We're gonna go back to the hotel and walk along the beach, and hopefully that will make it feel a bit more holiday-ish. Frozen kind. Very disappointing, but since we don't have any other choice, I'm still going to try to enjoy it, I
지금 오늘은 대게가 저희가 매진이 됐어요.
어머.
걸렸어요. 그래가지고 킹크랩만 있기 때문에 킹크랩은 오늘 금일만 특가로 10만, 10만원씩 팔고 있습니다. 그분은 2kg 조금 넘는 거, 2kg 정도 되는 거 한 마리 드시면 돼요.
네, 알겠습니다. Let's get started, shall we? gajang bokkeumbap, which makes fried rice out of all the inside part, like all the juices and intestines, I guess. And that kind of makes like a sauce, and it makes it really savory. And I think that's like the best finishing part to the king crab. All Koreans, they have to end the meal with rice, otherwise it's not complete.
Usually all this crab comes on the plain. Very tall.
Today is our last morning in Gangneung. We need to check out in less than 2 hours now. So we just came out to the beach again to admire the ocean one last time before we go. And we finally dipped our feet in the water, and I got sand in my shoes and my skirt got wet and all that, which is why I always prefer the pool to the beach. But I think it was still worth it because we don't know when we'll be able to come to the beach again. So that's it for today. We're going to pack our stuff, take a cab back to the station, and head home. I liked this trip a lot. It was very relaxing, and yeah, I'll see you again soon. 다음 영상에서 만나요.